In order to remain competitive and productive, writing good code in minimum time is an essential skill that every software developer must possess. Today, I am going to highlight several code editors that have captured the attention of the global software development communities, like PHP and Python. Here is the list of PHP web development tools that have established a reputation of reliability and performance. Number 1. Sublime Text Editor. Number 2. Notepad++. Number 3. Visual Studio Code. Number 4. Atom Text Editor. Number 5. Brackets Text Editor. Number 6. SlickEdit Text Editor. Number 7. Novi HTML Visual Editor. Number 8. Coda. Number 9. jEdit. Number 10. Programmer's Notepad. So, these are the top 10 code editor for PHP developers. Which code editor you use for web development, please write in the comment box. Thanks. For more informative video, like and subscribe to Smart Enough channel.